Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang.
Hey, hello.
We're so excited today because this is our first time. You want to say hi? No? Okay.
No,
Um,
first time.
first time. Having Filipino crispy pata, pork knuckle, deep fried.
Deep
Uh-huh.
fried. And this is the sauce for it, which
Yeah,
you
that's
will not
the
see
sauce.
because I don't want to spill it.
Everything is homemade. Okay, and then we have salad and ambalaya. We always eat this even in our place, but we don't have a name. But it's ampalaya in Filipino, I guess. Bitter melon and eggs
Mm,
fried. And
As
vegetables.
always.
And I have today put jolokia. You won't see.
Yeah,
I'm
unfortunately.
saving it because it's finishing it. So yeah, this sauce I made by myself. Soy sauce, lemon juice, garlic, onion, and chili. So yeah, we're very excited. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
And if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Okay, hey, just take out the... Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a problem.
That's okay.
Honey,
Huh?
where is our rice? We forgot the rice.
We'll be right back after these messages.
And we're back.
Back. And we have rice.
Yeah, we have rice now.
Ooh, looks yummy, baby.
If you're Filipino, you know, no rice, no power.
Yeah,
I mean, how am I gonna make this for you? I don't know.
that's like that. That just like that.
Here.
Ooh, yes.
You might see the color is a bit different. That's because this is a Serbian style bacon. They call it
Not
bacon, like
this is
smoked.
smoked. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't find the fresh one. We couldn't find the fresh one. Everything is smoked here.
It's good, baby.
So-
That's a lot of meat.
Oh, I'm so
No.
excited.
It's a lot of meat. You want some?
Yes, please. Just a little bit, honey.
That's
Okay. I don't want the eggs though.
You don't want?
Okay. I
Okay.
hope someday. As usual, I'm using my hand.
As usual, I'm using my spork.
Spork?
Yes, spoon and fork.
Honey, it's my PMS, not yours. Come on.
I apologize.
Get a grip.
Mm.
Okay, so you have to dip thing here.
Mhm.
We have to eat the traditional way, eh?
Yeah.
Kain tayo. Is that what they used to say? I think it's like prietno.
Probably, yeah.
So much food.
Mm. 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 I think I'm gonna eat with my hands too.
Yeah.
Because much easier.
So crunchy.
Oh yeah. Usually in Serbian cuisine we put this in to cook with the beans and stuff.
Yeah.
Really good. The doggy has run away.
I need to eat these toppings. It's garlic, onion, and chili. If you want, baby. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my god,
Oh my
baby.
God.
What did you do?
Oh my god.
You didn't expect
Honey,
this.
the credit goes to the Filipinos.
The credit goes to Filipinos and to my wife that cooked it actually.
Thank you.
I'll just use a little bit of knife
tried my
because I'm
best.
not that skillful.
Oh my gosh, honey. This is so good.
Mm.
I've been wanting to eat this like for a very long time. Oh,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
oh my god.
Mm. Mm. What's the sauce made of?
Soy sauce, lemon juice, garlic, onion, and chili.
Have you had anything?
Because I think this one is Serbian style, so it's already very salty inside also, yeah?
With
The one
white,
there,
yeah.
Filipino style is like not all salty
It's
inside.
fresh, yeah.
So this salty sauce. But we make it anyway.
Oh yeah.
So good.
What is this? Beetroot? Nice. Oh, don't use that.
Because my hand is so oily, baby. I know you're gonna finish it.
Yeah. I'm the vegetable master here. I eat all the vegetables.
Vegetable.
Vegetables.
Oh, so good.
Wow. Wow. Wowie wow wow. As Gordon Ramsay would say, wowie wow wow.
Yeah.
And how did you make this?
Which one?
This
Just
one.
deep fried. Actually, what I saw on the YouTube is that they bought a pork nugget and then they will cook them like overnight, I think. I'm not sure, guys. Please don't judge me. And then when everything is tenderly cooked, then they start with deep fried. Deep fried, but for us, it's already cooked. So, yeah. And guys, if you are not Filipino and you're watching this,
Definitely.
you should definitely try
try.
this.
Oh my god.
Filipinos food is like close, very close to my food. But this one we don't have. This recipe. But him liking this, that means it's good. Sorry.
Papa, don't get angry.
So good, Bella. No time for you right now.
Wow. Shocking.
Really?
Yeah.
This morning when we went to the store, he was not sure. And I said, we have to buy this and we have to make Filipino style thing. And he was like looking at me like, really? But he trusts his wife.
I have to. Everybody needs to trust their wives. Until they aren't trustworthy.
Is my nose ever gonna be okay?
No, behind you.
No, but it's okay. I'm good. Mm-hmm.
So good I bit my tongue now.
Again? He does that all the time whenever we eat Filipino food. Didn't you? Even the last time.
No time to speak, sorry.
Even the salad. Oh.
I know that you maybe say, oh, they're saying too much, but You guys, you need to try this.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Oh.
I watched some of their videos where some people are putting some sounds like this is our sound. Mm.
Stop it. And also, we both are not. We are not clean while we're eating.
We are
We're
not.
messy.
Yeah, we are not. We are clean, but we are not really neat.
Clean eating.
Neat.
We're very messy eating
Mm.
because we like to enjoy our food. Especially me. When I do my ASMR, there's no style. Just eating.
Oh yeah.
I'm so happy that you're liking this, baby.
I'm so happy that I'm liking this.
Oh my god.
It's really good.
Oh,
Shockingly good.
it's too good.
Yeah. That was actually a surprise. I didn't expect that.
I know you didn't.
Mm.
Cannot talk, baby.
Wow. Anyway, the rice is good. The bitter melon is good. It's warm outside. Life is beautiful. Remember, life is beautiful.
And there won't be a rainbow without the chili.
Oh yeah.
Oh, baby. So good.
If you want to break into the song, baby, just let me know. I always like musicals.
Thank you, Philippines, for creating this kind of food. Really. This is awesome. This is so awesome. What is that?
How much would this cost?
650 dinara. That means 6.5 euros.
$6.50.
No.
Dollar is
right now.
around 100.
Oh, okay. Right now, yeah.
Yeah. So
$6.5.
put in the comments how much does it cost to buy how do you call this?
Pork knuckle
Pork
in
knuckle.
Philippines. Yeah?
Yeah. I want to see what's the difference in prices.
There's gonna be huge difference, I guess.
Yeah. But this is
But
dried
still.
and smoked, yeah?
Yeah, this one is dried and smoked, so
A little bit expensive.
it's more expensive.
More
A little
expensive,
bit more.
but Mhm.
I miss Asia, guys. I'm sorry. I love it here too. People are so nice, like so friendly, so warm and welcoming. Like wherever I travel, my most like the biggest fear that I have is like the racism kind of thing. Like, but here, it's quite the opposite. People are really, really nice. Like they're really nice.
Mm.
But you gotta miss where you come from, right?
Definitely.
Oh, I was thinking like, sorry guys, my nose. Always. If this is not doesn't work, I'm gonna eat this. But this is just look. This just looks beautiful. It's not that spicy. You wanna try? I might try that later. Lato? Okay, I'm good.
How is your Serbian going? That's very mean of me. But
Oh, I want to say something. If there is any Serbian out there watching this, maybe not. I don't expect. But if there's anybody from Serbia watching this, please, I live in Zemun. Contact me. Let's eat together. My husband is leaving soon. I will be very alone.
mm,
Mm.
wow.
You want some more kupus? Mm. Add this sauce in your rice a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. Not like that, baby. It's gonna be very salty. Careful. Oh, so good.
Wow. Anyway, what do you think about this food? Hmm?
Let us know in the comment section.
This feels like here with this, with you over on the other side. It feels like we are on a family Sunday lunch. It's just a little bigger table. There's 130 of you or more. It's a, you know, like in the Middle Ages, there was like long tables, like with the queen and stuff. I imagine it like that one.
Full of imagination.
Mm-hmm.
For little boy. Little boy.
I work in imagination department.
Oh my god. Hmm.
Very good. Wow. This is the type of food that you are like didn't expect. And then when you eat, you're like, and then every bite is much more tastier than the other. And you're like, oh my god, it's not believable.
So good. Sorry.
So I said,
I might just die.
there's a big censorship here.
Can you finish the salad? We have to leave. We have to go to the Chinese market one more time before you leave, though.
Mm-hmm.
I need the green tea and soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
and some vegetables, if there is anything. That's the only place I can get Asian vegetables. Okay.
Thank you.
Like this bitter melon. I hope it's still there because the season is almost over. It's getting cold already, yeah?
Well, not today. Haha.
Yeah, yesterday and today.
Today the
It was so cold, like really cold. And so, was it yesterday and today?
no, it was a couple of days ago. It was very cold.
I mean, like the warm.
Yesterday
getting
and
warm.
today. Yeah, but the difference is like a couple of days ago. It was very cold, like 5 degrees outside.
Yeah. Very cold.
Excuse me. And then today and yesterday it was like 25 degrees, 26 degrees. So it's like 20 degrees difference in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days.
Excuse me.
That's normal.
Like a joke.
Huh?
We were like wearing our boots and our hoodies and then inside more shirt. Then all of a sudden, this
Shorts.
morning, we went to the store to buy this shorts.
Shorts it is. Okay,
Okay.
I'm done.
We eat a lot.
Wow. And I had a lot of mms.
We love to eat.
This was really good.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because it's really important for me and it helped me a lot. And also, if you're new to this channel, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're gonna notify you don't miss out my future videos. And also, if you can share and comment down below what you think about this.
And give us your ideas, give us your thoughts.
Yes, please give me your ideas and thoughts. And he's leaving soon, so maybe, I don't know, I'm still learning about the editing and stuff.
We'll try.
Millennials, you guys are so lucky.
Yeah.
I'm still struggling with all this stuff. So yeah, once again, thank you so much. And we really enjoy this food. Oh, Filipino food rocks. The bomb.
Bye.
Ciao. Bye.